Okay, hello people of the world. There's a YouTube video scene which somebody's talking about biochemistry, and they say biochemistry is the study of cells. I wanted to make a video about this because I don't agree with this. I think it's misleading and inaccurate and wrong. A lot of biochemistry doesn't occur in cells. He says it's about how cells work and function, how amino acids are made and how DNA replicates and all that. A lot of it does occur inside cells, but that's not what biochemistry is, okay? This has a different meaning. I think this statement is basically wrong, okay? And I don't like it. Okay? Biochemistry, bio is basically short for biological, okay? Or living. Living organ is, okay? It's short for biological living organisms. And we all know what this is. Chemistry is how atoms and molecules basically react, okay? And interact. So biochemistry equals the chemistry of living organisms. Okay, so from humans to plants to birds to fish to bacteria to viruses to algae to daffodils, trees, grass, everything. Biochemistry is the chemistry of living organisms, okay? Cells are one part of it, but also there is, I've been talking about viruses in my videos, okay? Viruses, they're not cells. As you're learning through my videos, if you're enjoying them, I hope, there are many varieties of viruses and they are full of molecules. It's all chemistry. Ion channels. A lot of the chemistry of those occurs outside cells. Immunology. You got antibodies. A lot of it occurs outside cells, or on cell surfaces, or between cells. Low density lipoproteins and high density lipoproteins, and the different lipoproteins involved in cholesterol and fat transport, okay? A lot of this occurs outside the cells and bloodstream. The minerals. Got to keep remembering to keep this in camera. So things like copper, magnesium, chromium, okay? These come from food. They come from food, okay? And we need metal minerals like this to make enzymes in your body work properly. This is biochemistry. We eat foods to get various things like copper, chromium, cobalt, magnesium, zinc, to make our bodies work properly, okay? Yeah, it occurs inside cells, but it's coming from food outside cells. Well, food's made of cells as well, but it's coming from minerals from other plants and animals. Plasmids. Those are in bacteria, but during bacterial reproduction they actually move to other bacteria, okay? So plasmids can move from one bacterial cell to another cell, okay? So there's a lot of movement of molecules between cells. It's not just all in one cell. And things called transposons. things like P elements and Ti elements. These are bits of DNA that can move around. They're present in your cell, in animal cells or plant cells, but they can be moved to other animals and plants or other cells by viruses. Okay, so these molecular elements, these molecular sort of elements, bits of RNA and DNA, can actually move to other cells or even to other animals or plants. They can move out of one animal into another one, out of one plant into another one by viruses. So there's a lot of movement outside cells. Okay, so yeah, that's why I don't agree with that first statement. It's a study of cells. It's not. It's a study of the chemistry of living organisms. Okay. Thank you, and please like, subscribe, comment, and help me get to 50. Thank you.